Why did Joe Biden slam Donald Trump over the reflecting pool and arch construction recently? The clash reveals more than just politics. It digs into symbolism, legacy, and public memory. You won't believe what sparked this architectural feud. Joe Biden slammed Donald Trump recently due to the latter's handling of construction projects near the National Mall, specifically the reflecting pool and a controversial arch structure. These public monuments are not just about aesthetics. They carry deep symbolic meaning representing national values. Biden argued that Trump's approach prioritized political showmanship over unity, damaging the historic integrity of these landmarks. The reflecting pool, a symbol of reflection and democracy, and the arch, designed under Trump's influence, sparked debate about what kind of legacy each leader wants to leave. The reflecting pool has long been a place of contemplation and national pride, linked to presidents like Lincoln and Jefferson. Biden criticized Trump's arch, claiming it lacked historical context and felt more like a personal monument than a unifying symbol. This critique highlights how leaders use architecture to shape public memory. Biden's slam was about contrasting visions, one focused on inclusion and history, the other on individual legacy and political branding. The public reaction to Biden's criticism was intense, reflecting broader political divides. Many saw the dispute as a metaphor for the current polarized political climate, where even public monuments become battlegrounds. The reflecting pool and arch controversy sparked discussions on how government projects should represent the people, not just political figures. Biden's slam was a call to prioritize national unity over individual political aggrandizement in public works. This spat over the reflecting pool and arch construction is more than architectural. It's about how leaders shape history and identity through public spaces. Next time you see a monument, remember it tells a story about power, politics, and values. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.